chọc lalu bahari gotona lo ada Karbi tumta mata dak jati alam pu bepin lo anenge kang lo ada control gitu.
Khách thì cũng là xong làng bình minh nó cái gì cái ta làng bình minh có thể là xong năm môn được.
And there is say maybe some third force is instigating the crowd over there. I mean from the Khanduli side, from the Khasi villagers, when they, as reported, and we have seen they have attacked one person over there who was doing cultivations in an orchard and they have dismantled many plants and also other items over there. So during that tussle, one of our farmer, he was hurt and he is seriously injured, and we have already talked with the Deputy Commissioner West Karbi Anglong, and SP was, he came over yesterday, SP Gentia Hills. He came over yesterday, but the crowd got agitated, so he left early. But we are in constant touch, and even the DGP Meghalaya and DGP Assam, they are taking stock of the situations, and it has been categorically stated by everyone that we will not allow anybody to escalate the situations. Once the regional committee meets, that will be decided in that meeting only. Yeah, they claim, but it will be all decided in the regional committee only. Only after that we can have a proper solution. Yeah, we have the CRPF, we have Assam battalion over there, and they are doing, they are extra vigilant in those areas.